Hi, my name is Ali Singer, founder and CEO of YogaHub. I'm going to lead you through a breathing meditation. This practice is really nice while lying down. So please go ahead and find yourself a comfortable place to lie down on your back. Bend your knees and place the soles of your feet on the ground. And then close your eyes. Rest your left hand on your chest and your right hand on your lower abdomen. Invite the muscles in your face to soften and your shoulders to melt down. And notice the movement of the hand on your abdomen and the hand on your chest. Invite your abdomen to relax so that when you inhale, you breathe down deep into your abdomen and the lower belly expands, moving that hand upward. And as you exhale, the abdomen deflates and the hand moves down. There's no need to force this. Simply invite your breath to move deep down in your body, rather than high in your chest. With your left hand, the hand on your chest, you might notice your pulse, your heartbeat. And use that sensation of touch with your left hand to encourage stillness in that space as your breath moves deep down into your abdomen first, before you fill your chest space. We're moving towards a 3-part breath, where you're taking your deepest possible breath by first breathing deep down low into the abdomen, and then filling the chest to space under your left hand, and then continuing to breathe all the way in up to the throat. Once you've completely filled yourself with breath, there might be a slight pause, a natural pause that you invite before you exhale. Give yourself some time to practice breathing deeply like this. Use as little effort as possible. Simply encouraging these 3 chambers to fill one at a time. Lower abdomen, chest, and then throat. After your complete inhale, and maybe a slight pause, the exhale moves out in the opposite sequence. Out through the throat, out through the chest, and out through the abdomen. As you breathe out completely, there may be a slight pause at the bottom of your exhale, a place of stillness between breaths. Continue to breathe slowly. Noticing the slight pause after your inhale and also a slight pause after your complete exhale. So each cycle of breath has actually four parts: the slow and steady inhale, a slight natural pause at the peak of the inhale, and then a slow and steady exhale, and a slight natural pause at the bottom of the exhale. If your breath is not coming so slowly at this time, that's okay completely. Just notice the pace that naturally occurs. You're welcome to count how long each part of the breath takes. You might notice the length of time of your inhale, the pause at the top of the breath, and then how long it takes to exhale, and how long feels right for that natural pause at the bottom of the exhale. This is simple breath awareness, and we're not trying to control what's happening as much as we are encouraging a lengthening out of each four parts of the breath. You might notice that the pace of your thoughts is somewhat correlated with the pace of your breath. And the more you relax, the more welcome you'll feel stillness arise between each inhale and exhale. To deepen your relaxation even more, encourage your exhales to become even longer. So if you breathe in on 4 counts, perhaps you take 6 or even more on the next exhale. Using your breath to calm your mind and to cultivate a sense of ease through your entire being. Take some more time here to savor your breath, almost in the same way that you would savor a delicious meal. At each and every breath, both the inhale and the exhale are nourishing you. Nourishing you with vital energy. And let those pauses be a reminder that it's not always necessary to be in action. Instead, it's necessary to pause and experience stillness. over your next few breaths, begin to expand your awareness outward. You might notice that a deepening of the breath follows. And as we come towards the end of this breathing meditation, I invite you to turn the corners of your lips slightly upward. Having taken this time to tend to the vital force that flows within you, your breath, or prana, life force energy. This concludes our guided breath meditation together. Stay here for as long as you'd like, and let your transition out of practice be calm and mindful, integrating yourself with ease.